Good day everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Dadibaya Building Johnson. So welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can get USD dollar accounts free in Nigeria without stressing yourself in bank, or you can even get it on your mobile phone within some simple steps. I'm going to be exploring a company that can easily help you to get a free USD dollar account that you can use to receive your money in USA, Canada, UK, even in Europe, wherever you can receive money in dollar, you can receive money in pounds. I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial. So what is dollar card? Before we even start, what is dollar card? Because I'm going to show you how you can get a dollar card too. Because you need to get the dollar card. You can make payment on your Instagram, you can make payment on your Facebook ad, you can make payment on other international websites like AliExpress, Alibaba. You can easily make payment without having any issue with them. So what is virtual card? A virtual card is a non-physical card that is denominated to enable payment. You can easily use the virtual dollar card in Nigeria when you cannot use denominated credit or debit card in Nigeria. So some time ago I've been having issue in paying for whenever I want to run ad on my Facebook or Instagram. So I discovered that they will just decline my card and they are not taking my card. So what did I do? What I do, that is what I'm going to show you in this tutorial, what you can do. So you need to apply for virtual card, virtual USD card, which will enable you to run advert easily on your website, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on any other platform, another international platform. So why do you need, or some things you need to check before you start choosing a company to apply for dollar card? You will see you need to check the security, the user friendly, the accessibility, the credit limit and fees. Each company has their own prices when you come to dollar. When you come to dollar, you want to convert 1,000 to dollar, they have each of their own prices. You check them out before you apply for them. Now the first one we are having today is pst.net. We have cheaper cash. So this is cheapercash.com. cheapercash.com is a company, and you can see the product that they offer. You can sell and receive money in cash. You can have cheaper cash, you can have the cheaper cash, you can invest in crypto, invest in stock with USD. So they have this thing that you can buy airtime, you can pay airtime on their website. So another one I'm going to talk about is Flood by Floodcoin. So this Flood by Floodcoin, if you are into a crypto, you can easily use it and get dollar card on their platform. You can use your crypto money to run with this particular company. The next one I'm going to tell you today is Payday. Payday is one of the amazing websites that you can give you a virtual dollar card easily in Nigeria. You can see their business, you can see what they did, you can see their website here. You can get paid by foreign employer, send and receive money from family. So you can easily get Payday depending on the one you want. This particular one, me, I've been using cheaper cash for so many years and they are reliable once you follow their times and policy. So now the next one we're going to talk about is Fundo. Fundo is a virtual dollar card provider in Nigeria and that has a denominated virtual card that enable to make international payment without cross-border registration. The next one is Bosika. This Bosika really works in Nigeria and Ghana as of now. When I'm recording this video, it really works in Ghana and Nigeria. We used to receive money in Ghana and Nigeria, but I don't know if later on they can extend it to other countries. So the next one is Carbon. Carbon is a money lender company in Nigeria, and they have upgraded to the fact that you can get dollar card from their app. Eyowo is also a fintech doped digital bank that enables its customers to send and receive money and make payment with their phone number. Alert, wow, Alert is one of the amazing dollar card providers. Give you a dollar card account. This is owned by Wema Bank. You can easily get dollar card easily from them. The next one is GoMoney. GoMoney is a platform that enables peer-to-peer, P2P payment and third-party service. You can easily use the platform as a component and while making international payment. Another one is Meeting Bank. Meeting Bank is also a company that you can use their virtual card to send and receive money while using international platform like Facebook, Netflix, Amazon, Apple Music, Spotify, and so on and so forth. We have Wallet Africa. Wallet Africa is a platform that provides physical and virtual card in naira and dollar domination in Nigeria. So wow, we have Chengera, we have Buddha, we have Bata by Flitterwall. So Flitterwall is the payment gateway company that you can use to pay on your website, you can use on your online store to receive payment. But now they now provide a dollar card to Bata, whereby you can use it to make payment online, either on Facebook, either on Netflix, either on Spotify, or any other website. And the last one I'm going to show you in this particular tutorial is one of my favorite dollar card company. This is Great. Great is one of the top most dollar card provider company in Nigeria, and they are very amazing. They give you free USD account, so you can European bank account for free the moment you create and fill your information with their system. So make sure you download the app today and try it out so that you can easily get your dollar account. Make sure you download it. They are using GPay. If you are using cheaper, if you are using Payday, they are still the same thing. If you are using Bala, they are still the same thing. Alright, try it out and get back.